So I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen timeout period on the Insta360 Luna Ultra. So the amount of time this screen can stay idle before it automatically turns off. So if you swipe down and then hit the settings icon and then go to general, if you scroll down, you will see screen auto sleep, which is currently set to 90 seconds. Now you can tap on that and then reduce that to 60 seconds or even 30 or even 15 or even 5 if you're really trying to save the battery. Or you can increase it up to 3 minutes or 5 minutes, of course at the detriment of your battery life. And of course you can select never if you never want that screen to turn off at any time. As long as the camera is on, that screen stays on. You can leave it to never. So mainly depends on what exactly you're trying to do here. For me, I'm going to leave it on 3 minutes because of these videos I'm recording for y'all. But it mainly depends on what you're trying. Either you're trying to save battery or you're trying to have the maximum interaction with the screen. Thanks for watching. Good luck.